Conservatives and their attorneys are having a busy stretch in the courts. Tonight, correspondent Doug McElway looks at the startling number of folks on the political right who find themselves in the middle of legal proceedings.
Dinesh D'Souza, author and co-producer of the highly partisan documentary film 2016, Obama's America, was arraigned today in U.S. District Court in New York on felony charges. Federal prosecutors allege he donated $20,000, more than the law allows, to Republican U.S. Senate candidate Wendy Long and hid the contribution by reimbursing straw donors. Asked to respond, D'Souza wrote Fox News, quote, "a little tied up right now." In a statement, his attorney said D'Souza did not act with any criminal intent and said at worst this was an act of misguided friendship. In 2011, a donor to Democrat John Edwards' presidential campaign faced only a misdemeanor conviction for the same offense. The indictment occurs a day after a Hollywood conservative group, Friends of Abe, told Fox News the IRS has been holding up their application for tax-exempt status for 3 years.
We have been subjected to a scrutiny that goes beyond what might be reasonably expected, by far.
In New York State, conservative James O'Keefe's Project Veritas, which has repeatedly embarrassed Democrats with hidden videos, has been subpoenaed by the State Department of Labor for a comprehensive audit. That and the indictment of D'Souza occur after New York Democratic Governor Andrew Cuomo suggested in an interview that GOP candidates he described as extreme conservatives who are right to life, pro-assault weapon, and anti-gay have no place in the state of New York. And after New York Democratic Senator Chuck Schumer appeared to condone IRS targeting of Tea Party conservatives.
There are many things that can be done by the IRS and other government agencies, and we have to redouble those efforts.
The author of the Columbia Law Review paper, Ham Sandwich Nation, Due Process When Everything is a Crime, points to a pattern of prosecutorial overreach.
Part of Obama's legacy is that the paranoid conspiracy freaks don't seem so crazy anymore because the stuff that we know that's been going on, like the NSA snooping and the IRS targeting and so on, leads us to wonder what else is going on that just hasn't been made public yet. And that's a rational thing to worry about at this point.
Even if the actions and the timing are coincidental, the effect is chilling. A post on the Project Veritas website says the harassment is never ending and it's expensive to keep defending. Brett?
Doug McElway at the White House briefing room. Doug, thank you.